Hello everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, if you have a project you want me to look into for GPU mining, please let me know. Please like, subscribe, and share, I'd appreciate it. I'm just trying to get the channel going. So today I am going to do a discussion on Actinium project and how to mine it. I'm here on their webpage, actinium.org. And we have the price, 340 Satoshis, market cap 513,000. Current supply is 17,463,200. And the hash rate, 195.85 gigahashes. You can see your profitability on what to mine. This is going to be a more of a speculative mining coin. So what is Actinium? A small intro to our project. It's a cryptocurrency designed to be convenient, functional, and secure. Featuring an active Lightning Network, hardware wallet integration, mobile wallets, Tor browser capability, as well as maintaining a heavy focus on education and everyday application, Actinium aims to make blockchain technology useful for everyone. The Actinium network is dedicated to sustaining a foundation of transparency and trust, which is why the project was launched fairly, meaning there is no pre-mine, no ICO, no pre-launch funding, and no developer rewards of any sort associated with this project whatsoever. Additionally, Actinium is completely decentralized, featuring an open source code base available for review, critique, and change from anyone. The full breadth of the blockchain industry has yet to be realized, which is why the development of Actinium remains perpetual and ever expanding. Designed to continuously incorporate innovative new features accordingly, the future of blockchain technology is bright, and the Actinium network strives to be equally radiant by ensuring its users have access to all the advantages this industry has to offer, both now and in the future. Maximum supply is 84 million, not bad. Block time 2.5 minutes using the Lyra 2Z algorithm, and having every 840,000 blocks, and the block difficulty is adjusted on every block. No pre-mine, fair launch, no ICO. Here are the wallet download. I downloaded the Actinium Legacy wallet. This shows you, it tells you not to download anywhere but their website. Extract the files and run the wallet. It's a lightweight wallet. Trezor mining software and pools. Are you a miner? Here's the mining software, T-Rex, Team Red Miner. So we want to focus in on the T-Rex part. Are you an FPGA ASIC miner? Actinium welcomes miners to invest in better hardware and technologies. I can't understand why they said this because, which I'll get to later, is the blue paper. It says that it's ASIC resistant, and FPGA resistant, and it's friendly towards GPU and CPU mining. So I'm not sure why they said this. Maybe they're going to change. I don't know. Other resources, the Explorer, you can see here, CoinMarketCap. You can trade on these exchanges. And so they say, meet the team. We are not anonymous. So that's very transparent cryptocurrency, which is nice. And they have tons of links down here, names with faces, so you can look into who's running the project, who's working on the project, their credibility and reputation, all important stuff to know on a cryptocurrency project. So let's go to the blue paper. We can read more about it. So this goes over who we are. It began as a hobby project designed and written by a single developer. It was created to maintain, mainly to provide direct competition to the overwhelming influx of scams, shady developers, and blatant abuse of open source technology. It's launched on April 25th, 2018. Again, no pre-mine, no pre-sale, no founders rewards. Development team owns no significant share of ACM coins. The development team is always be public and publicly visible. I'm just going to scan through this real quick. You can check it out on your more in depth on your own time. So let's move on to the goals: paper wallets, mobile wallets, hardware wallet, Lightning Network, atomic swap, smart contracts, exchanges, etc. The technology: code base is built using the Litecoin code and follows the Bitcoin development branch. Development team continuously integrates the latest blockchain technology, implementing second layer solutions such as the Lightning Network, so that's fast transactions. Okay, moving on. So here's what I wanted to get into. Maintaining the safety and security of all users is the utmost important. Thus, Actinium has full hardware wallet compatibility with Ledger Nano, Ledger Blue, pending approval in the Ledger HQs. Aim to support as many different miners as possible. Therefore, we use the GPU-friendly Lyra2Z algorithm that works effectively with both NVIDIA and AMD cards. To further secure the network, Actinium uses LDMA as our preferred difficult adjustment algorithm. So that's the algorithm that adjusts each block reward or difficulty. So launched April 2018. Fair mine, mining proof of work, the GPU, NVIDIA, and AMD. So it doesn't say they're ASIC and FPGA resistant. It just promote more of the GPU mining with NVIDIA and AMD. Difficulty readjustment. So the advantage of Lyra2Z: energy efficient, keeps GPU cards from overheating, lowers efficiency gap between AMD and NVIDIA. Okay, I was right. So it says it's currently ASIC, FPGA, and botnet resistant. So I'm not sure why they have that. It's they like to see FPGA and ASIC hardware. Kind of doesn't make any sense when they say it here that it's resistant. So anyway, moving on. The advantages of this algorithm for the block difficulty: proven to be more effective at stabilizing hash rate. Readjust the difficulty. Every block reacts quickly to large spikes in hash rate. So sort of a preventing from a 51% type attack, it seems. You know, question or comments in the comment section, what you think about that. Am I right? Is it for the prevention of an attack of some sort? I'm not a programmer, so any help would be appreciated. So they have a mobile wallet for Android, hardware wallets. They operate specialized Electrum servers that support Actinium. We also offer an alternative Electrum SPV wallet. Okay, some technical information. You can read that when you get a chance. So here we have zero cash, zero coin, and stealth addresses. So we all know that these are privacy coin characteristics. Actinium is currently testing these coins and addresses protocols to help anonymize user transactions, making the Actinium blockchain pervious to chain analysis. So it goes into the benefits of this for a private type privacy coin. The Lightning Network here, Lightning Network mobile wallets. Here's some links. So it looks like to me that they want to incorporate some privacy technology into their coin. And they're doing some other things, which is nice to see in terms of the wallets, different wallets, Lightning Network, etc. So I don't want to spend too much time on it, but you can read it more in depth when you get a chance. I'm going to move on to the mining portion. Just want to pull up here before I do that. Coin market cap rank 1086, supply 84 million, circulating supply is only 17,463,000 right now, and it's currently at 2 cents. So let's go over to Zerg Pool, and you can create your own. It's a generator for your command line. It's a miner command line generator. Here you put in the algorithm, the ticker symbol, and your address, and boom, out pops the command line. Now, I had somebody comment about, me promoting Zergpool. I'm not promoting Zergpool. Listen, if you don't want to use Zergpool, don't use Zergpool. The only reason why I'm bringing Zergpool up is because for tutorial purposes and to save time for my videos, it pops out this command line very quickly. You can use this command line on any mining pool. You just need to replace, the address here. The mining pool will have its own stratum address, and it'll say theirminingpool.com and their port. Your public address, this, and what you're mining, ACM, is all going to be the same. So you could take this command line, use Zergpool, and go to another mining pool and use it there if you don't want to give your hash rate to Zergpool. Again, not promoting anything here. I'm not getting paid for any of this. I'm doing this on my own time. It's a hobby I like and enjoy doing. So anyway, let's get back to it. Going on Simplemining, group config. You can see I'm mining here right now. So you want to use T-Rex like I said before in the video. You go down to T-Rex here. You can see Lyra 2Z, boom, on my NVIDIA cards. I used an older version only because I think it's because I'm running some 3 gigabyte cards. The newest CUDA version isn't working, so I use 9.1. If you have 8 gigabyte cards, you're probably going to be okay with the new 10.0. Okay, so let's go back. Let's use it. So group name, I like to use the name of the coin. Group description, I use the pool in the mining program. I'm using T-Rex and CUDA 9.1 in my case, here at 10.0. Put in the command line here. And here it is here. I'm currently mining it. Here's the command line here on the top. I'll put it in the description. Lyra 2Z, that's the algorithm you want to mine on Zergpool. And what you're mining is ACM. So you're telling the pool what you're mining, which is Actinium. Here's my address. You want to replace that with your address. So let's go over to my rig list. Heads up display here. And I'm hashing away, getting shares, and everything's working like it's supposed to, and the command line works successfully. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you think. Have you mined this before? Are you mining it? Do you have any coins? What do you think of the project? Seems pretty open and transparent. Seems like they're doing a lot for not getting paid really anything. So also, I want to know what you guys think about having a giveaway. So I'm thinking about having a giveaway. What would you want? What kind of giveaway do you enjoy participating in? And what kind of things do you like to win? What kind of cryptocurrencies? Let me know in the comment sections. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Until next